Hello everyone! Today Autoshop Vietnam would like to introduce a new function that has been updated on the Smarttool device. This function is Read or Renew eSIM ID, IMO ID in eSIMs Shenzhen and Cayenne for Honda motorcycles via the K-Line protocol through the DLC diagnostic connector. Next, I will introduce and guide you on how to use this new function on the Smarttool device with this Vision motorcycle. You can do the same step for Click or Vario motorcycle. First, we need to prepare one main cable connected to the Smarttool. Here is Honda diagnostic cable with 4 pins. One power supply cable for the Smarttool through the battery. You can make a cable yourself to supply power from the battery to the eSIM. This cable is very easy to make. One end just needs to be a power clamp, and the other end should be a metal connector to connect to the eSIM pin. First, connect the main cable to the Smarttool. Connect the Honda diagnostic cable with the main cable. Connect the power supply cable through the battery to supply power for Smarttool. Note that you need supply power for the main cable. And for searching the pin out of eSIM, you can search from Autoshop application. Here is the FGM-FI system diagram for the Vision motorcycle. Supply power to pin A4, battery pin on the eSIM. Now I will read eSIM ID by Smarttool. From Smarttool, select Smartkey, Honda, IMO ID eSIM, Shenzhen eSIM. Read IMO ID. The device displays the instruction unplug DLC cable and the ignition switch must be in the off state. I haven't connected the DLC jack yet and the switch still at the off state now. So I select enter. The device requires plug the DLC jack and turn on the switch. I will plug the DLC jack. And for turn on the switch, I use the handmade cable to supply power for eSIM. One end connects to the positive terminal of the battery. The other end connects to the pin A4 of the eSIM. You can see here is the eSIM ID. Now I will try to test the function Renew eSIM ID. Select Renew eSIM IMO ID. Need unplug the DLC and ignition switch at off state. After that, press enter. Now need plug the DLC again and supply power for ECM. Unplug the DLC. Not supply power for ECM. Press Enter. Plug and supply power for ECM one more time. Renew ECM ID success. If you want to upgrade the read or renew ECM function into your Smarttool 2, please contact Autoshop Vietnam via the WhatsApp hotline. Upgrade method is online. Thank you for watching our video. Goodbye.